Hello students. Today we are going to study the Python program for transposition of two-dimensional array or a two-dimensional matrix. Okay. So I want to print the name of the program on the output screen. So I'm using a print statement. So print double quote transposition of two-dimensional say matrix. Okay, so let us say the matrix name is A. So it is two dimensional. So you can have a square bracket. Syntax is you have to put it in a two square brackets. So if it is 2 by 2 matrix, so I have two brackets, square brackets inside having two elements. Means I'll be having A00, A01, A10, A11. Okay. Say the matrix is like this 100. You can see the cursor 100, 200, 300, 400. So this is the first row. This is the first column. So this element is A00. This is A01. This is A10 and this is A11. Okay, now whenever we are doing a transposition of the matrix means row becomes column and column becomes row. So this 100, 300 first column will be first row. So A00 will be 100, A01 will be 300, whereas A10 will be 200, which was a second column first row will be now second row first column. Okay, and this is 400. Got it? How to do the transposition? Now let us do it with the help of a program. So if you observe the input and the output expected, then you can observe that A00 and A11 are as it is. Only the changing elements are A01 and A10. Those are swapped. So in my last session, you have seen how to swap. So same logic we are going to apply here. So let us say the A array is 100, 200 and second row is 300, 400. I'm writing and I'm printing the array which is entered here. So two-dimensional matrix A is. So whenever I say print A of 0 means 0th row is printed. Whenever I am saying print A of 1 then the first row is printed. So in print statement you have to use the circular bracket, and for matrix it is called as a list. Okay, data type is a list. So list is represented by a square bracket. Therefore I have written print A of 0, print A of 1 means 0th row I want to print, first row I want to print. Okay, now I want to edit A01 means this 200 and A10 that means 300. So if I try to write 300, I mean A01, if I try to overwrite it with A10, then this 200 will go. So I have to put it somewhere. So I am taking a variable say B2. So B2 is equal to A of 01 means this 200 I am trying to put it inside a B2 so that though A01 is overwritten, I have the value in B2, right? Now I am overwriting A01. So this is A01. I have to overwrite it with A10 for transposition. So this is first row, second column. I am replacing by first column, 0th, first row, 0th column. Okay. So this 300 I am overwriting to the 200 out here. And then I am replacing this 300 with 200 because already I have stored this 200 A01 to the B2. So I will write the B2. So logic is same as that of the swapping program that we have studied. This is the logic. And now once they are swapped, again we will print the matrix. But transpose of two-dimensional matrix A is. So after transposition, we will print 0th row and the first row. Okay. So let us see, run the program. So see, before transposition it is 100, 200, 300, 400, and after transposition it is 100, 300, 200 and 400. So this is about the transposition. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you.